Hello, and welcome. Today, we're diving into some fantastic, small factory business ideas that you can kickstart using affordable production machines. If you've ever dreamt of owning a factory but thought it was out of reach, think again. These ideas are perfect for entrepreneurs on a budget. First up, let's look at soap making. With a relatively small investment in equipment like a soap making machine, molds, and packaging materials, you can create various soaps. The market for natural and handmade soaps is booming, so there's great potential here. Next, we have candle making. Similar to soap making, candle production requires affordable machines, wax, wicks, and fragrances. Consider producing scented candles, decorative candles, or even soy-based candles to cater to different customer preferences. Moving on, another great idea is producing customized t-shirts. You'll need a heat press, a printer, and some blank t-shirts. The demand for personalized apparel is always high, and this business allows for creative freedom. Now, let's explore the world of food production, starting with pasta making. Small pasta machines are readily available, and with some basic ingredients, you can make fresh pasta. Consider offering different pasta shapes and flavors to stand out. Next, we have the production of plastic products. While this requires more investment, small plastic injection molding machines can produce items like toys, containers, or custom parts. This option can be very lucrative if you find a niche market. Let's not forget about woodworking. Investing in basic woodworking machines like a saw and a sander can allow you to create wooden toys, home decor items, or small furniture pieces. This appeals to customers who appreciate craftsmanship. Another excellent option is the manufacturing of phone cases. With a 3D printer or a small case-making machine, you can create customized phone cases. This is a business idea with a low barrier to entry and high demand. Next, we have the production of cosmetics. Small cosmetic filling machines and mixers can allow you to produce lipsticks, lip gloss, and other cosmetic products. You'll need to focus on branding and marketing to make your products stand out. Now, let's explore the production of packaging materials, like cardboard boxes. With a small box-making machine, you can produce various sizes of boxes. The demand for packaging materials is always high, catering to e-commerce and various businesses. Finally, let's look at the production of keychains. Small keychain making machines are affordable, and the market for personalized keychains is vast. Consider offering custom designs to attract customers. Remember, success in these small factory businesses relies on a good business plan, quality products, effective marketing, and excellent customer service. So, choose an idea that excites you, do your research, and start your journey towards entrepreneurship. Thanks for watching.